So previously we saw property details and tenant details, both tabs with its menus. Now we are going to look at property booking, under which there are two tabs. First one is book property and the other one is sub property. So for book property, if we are having if you are a builder or if you are having number of properties in a single building, then you can directly define all those properties here, and you will be able to create all the sub properties from a single click. So first let's create its main property. So now I am going to create one main property called main property demo. Let me give its details. What is the category? What is property type? Let's say these are flats. Who will be the property manager? And its ground rent. For all properties, the same ground rent will be applied. And if we want, we can give a gross value also. Now, once we create this property, let me give it a particular photo and save that property. Okay, so I have created one main property, demo property, which is having this address, its total towers and every details will be shown afterwards. Here we have created category, property type, its ground rent and everything. Here I am able to see some one tab of sub properties. Here I will be able to look at different number of properties that I will be adding as a sub property. So now I'm going to create one another property that will be sub property demo. Is it a sub property? Yes. If it is a sub property, if we want, we can give its parent property also. So I'm going to give main property demos. Once I select this particular main property demo as a parent property, I will be able to look at all the details of main property. Now I will directly select a particular manager, property manager. I will prefix the property name directly. How many number of floors are there? If we are having 4 floors or 3 floors, I'll put it like that. Then how many properties per floor? Okay, let's create 2 properties per floor. What will be the furnished type? So we will be able to directly select from here. Let's say this all are semi-furnished properties. What will be the ground rent for property, single property? That will be 10,000. And what will be the gross value? If we are putting, let's say, value. Now once I save this, I have created this sub property, but still we have not created number of sub properties. So I will be simply create sub property. When I click on this create sub property, here I will be able to look at all 6 properties, that is sub property demo 101, 102, 201, 202, 301 and 302. All will be having the same property owner name. Its label name can be shown also. Its state will be here. Now if we want to change some of the label or some of the property details, we will also be able to change them. We just simply need to click on edit, and I will need to just click on that property name, and in that we will be able to look at what is the property manager name, what is property type. If we want to change, we can directly change its details from here also. So they will be change from a particular property. If we want, we can add all details that were in basic property details here. Okay, and once I save this, sorry, yes, we have not added its income account, and, that is why it is showing some error. Once we have added those details, we will be able to save those property. Now if we look at this property, it will be having details of those. Okay, I am going to save this. Once we have saved this, we will be able to look at them like this. Okay, now if we want, we can book some of this property. So let me book this 201 property. Once I have booked it, it will be directly shown here as booked, and it will be not shown in available state. So when we look at this in our property booking tab, here booking open is shown here is like this: sub property demo, if there are any available properties that are currently shown here. And in sub property, there will be shown properties. Like, let me show sub property demo. There are 6 properties, under which 5 are booked of one 5 are available and 1 is booked. And if we want, we can change its details from here also. So when we select this, we need to go to book property, sub property demo. Let me show you that. Like, if I am going to click on this, let's edit that property, edit, and give its income account and expenses account. Property expenses P21, property expenses. Okay, here also you will be able to change its details. Let's say this is a fully furnished apartment. So once I have saved this, I will save it, and when I go to my sub property, here it is changed. Now if we go to our property details, here it will show under booked and booking open tab. Here sub property demo is shown like this, booking open, and in booked it is showing like this. Okay, so that was all for our property booking tab.